Hey, SaaSpreneurs, welcome to day 26 of our 30-day high-level mastery series, where we look at one simple actionable step that you can implement in your business straight away. So today we're going to look at racing to bottom strategy. So you would have seen in high-level Facebook group and different Facebook groups where people talk about, hey, someone is offering high level for free, someone is offering high level for $1, someone is offering high level for $10. So, and then people get worried because they're going to charge $100, $200. In any industry you take, it can be website design, it can be graphic design, it can be therapist, it can be counseling, business coaches. There are people who sell stuff for free. There are people who sell stuff for $10, $100. There are people who sell stuff for $100,000. Okay, for business coaching, I know Stacy Bayman charges 50,000 US dollars paid in full, no payment plans. And there are people in the business coaching world who struggle to sell something for $500, right? So we have people doing different things, especially in the SaaS world. This is very, very concerning because we feel, because we live in that SaaS world, we feel it's already saturated. We've literally scratched the surface. We've just started the SaaS era. So I would say stop focusing on racing to bottom and focusing on people who do that. So I would say, like Alex Hormozy's offer stack, how he makes it like stupid to say no. It is a no-brainer kind of an offer. So, for example, in my case, the biggest strength or the value that positions me completely different from other service providers in the market is because I've got a team that offers support. As much as I love high level, when you go to support, it's very frustrating because you speak to different people and then you keep escalating tickets after tickets. It's because it is a massive company, more than 2 million users using high level. So, with 1,500 staff, it's only as much support they can offer, right? As humanly as possible. Now AI is backing up a lot of stuff. So my point of difference is there is a team that's going to jump on calls whenever you need. There's a team that's going to answer your questions. There's a team that's going to implement things for you. And there's a team that's going to offer you support. So it becomes a no-brainer to sign up for high level using our affiliate. It becomes a no-brainer for people to come in under our agency as a sub account or sign up as an agency using our affiliate. So there are different ways how we work with, businesses, but one big USP that positions me differently from others is the support that I've got. So you have to make it as a no-brainer offer where people do not hesitate to pay you. Do not compare with other offers that are raising to bottom. Because if that's your strategy, you want to be cheaper than the rest, then I don't think it's worth it. That's just my thought. I could be wrong. But for me, it's about articulating the value, anchoring the value that you offer, and staying with your pricing that feels right for the value you offer. Seems right than just racing to the bottom and making it cheaper because there'll be somebody who's always cheaper than you. So, what's your strategy? Are you racing to the bottom or is it a value based pricing model that you have? Let me know. I'll see you tomorrow.